Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the day 9 of the case of bootcamp, and today I will be solving problem of the day on GFG portal on a day of 16th July. The question is the remaining strings we have to return, and this question was asked in Java and Oracle. As you can see, my daily streak count is 330, and let's solve this problem. And here the given question here states that it is a category of easy, and there is a given string without a space. This character ch is given and an integer count is also given, and your task is to return the substring that remains after the character ch has appeared count number of times. It's a pretty straightforward question, assuming that uppercase and lowercase alphabets are different, and empty string should be written if it is not possible, or the remaining substring is empty. That's what the question said. And immediately you have to have the constraint. As you can see, constraints also given. If the constraint is not given, you have to specify the constraint. You have to ask to the interview. This is the length starting from to 10 power 5, and count also ranges between the length only 1 to s dot length. And as of I can be both upper and lowercase letters characters. And here comes the given thing, and we have to find the I only three times. As you can see, as we are moving from left to right, the first occurrence, second occurrence, and third occurrence. Whenever we got the third occurrence, then we can return NG. That's what the question requirement. And here also same, the first occurrence, second occurrence, and third occurrence, we have left over with nothing, so that we can return an empty string. And same for this. If we don't have any X component inside that, then we can return empty string. And the expected time complexity is order of s, and auxiliary space is constant. It was a pretty straightforward, and I will be uploading daily days content. As you can see, all the visualization and visualizations, explanations, graphs, diagrams, everything. You can see that individually and support us. Okay, and I will be explaining day 9. Same things have been taken over the question, and the expected approach is pretty straightforward. The key idea is to iterate the given string from left to right and count number of times the particular character was appeared. Whenever the count is reaching to 0, then we can simply break the loop and we can return that particular leftover string. If the leftover string is empty, we can return an empty occurrence. That's what the question. That was the instruction. And here the given string and the character and the count. I was starting from the initial. I was checking it should not exceed the length, and the count should not be 0. And that's the reason I was using while loop to terminate whenever reach this condition. Whenever this condition fails, we can skip the loop. And we are checking the current character is matching to the target character. Then we can simply decrement the count and go further. And whenever it is not that, then we can simply increment the counter, increment the index pointer to go for the next characters. Whenever we encounter a 0 in the same loop, we can extract the substring from there, and we can check if it is an empty. We can return empty string, or else we can return the leftover substring. In Java, we can use substring. By default, it will take from the starting index to the end of the index. This is one of the overloaded method. In C++, we have to use the starting index I plus 1 and the ending index for the sub str. Same pseudocode I was been explaining here, breaking out the given string whenever we encounter the occurrence time, then we can break out and we can return the empty string if it is nothing is there. In Python also, Python, if we don't provide the end index, it will take end of the length. This is a string slicing in Python. The time complexity is At the worst case, I was iterating toward the string array, string length. So length indicates like this modulo of s, the length of s, and length of the string, and the space complexity. I was not using any additional space, only the mm, index, the variables which will be all are primitive and which will be stored in stack memory and under the main memory of RAM memory. So that's all about this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.